What's up, everybody? Chris from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and I just got the new February 2020 Alpha Outpost subscription box called DOC, D-O-C. I have not looked in the box yet, so let's take a look and see what's inside the box. All right, so here we go. I've cut the tape, but I haven't looked inside the box because I like to experience it at the same time you do. So here is the DOC box, D-O-C as in doctor, so I'm assuming it's a first aid kit from Alpha Outpost. And we've got our information card, first aid kit contents. It is the DOC box. Items included in your first aid kit, common outdoor injuries. Looks like we've got some different prevention tips here. This is always good to have. And let's set that aside. It looks like we've got a little EMT kit here, an EMT patch and American flag patch on it. Nice little handy size bag you can keep in your backpack. You can put it in your car. It's got the MOLLE style attachments to it. Handy little size. So when you're out and about in a vehicle, hiking, camping, backpacking, this is a great size kit for your first aid kit. All right, wow, a lot of stuff in this box. So we've got gauze pad, tourniquet set, padding, triangular bandage, like an arm sling bandage. Got some shears, instant cold pack. Let's see, we've got alcohol pads. Got some flex bandages, some standard, these are both all flex fit, like a fingertip bandage and a standard bandage. Got some moleskin padding there. These are patches, like blood type patches. Got some flex wrap here. Tweezers, always good to have. Some nitrile gloves. Alcohol pads, lots of those in here. Got a sting relief pad. Some triple antibiotic ointment, and some medical tape. So we've got everything we need to put together your basic first aid kit. And there's lots of other stuff out there that you can add to the kit, but for a good start, it's a great little compact setup. You can pack in your little bag, it's your information card, and there it is. That is the DOC box, the February 2020 Alpha Outpost subscription box. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. And do me a favor, hit that like and hit that subscribe button so I can keep bringing you lots of cool content, lots of Alpha Outpost, outdoor gear, camping gear, off-road stuff. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this. For Alpha Outpost, this is Chris from Bold Canyon Outdoors signing off. Happy trails, everybody.